Oh, you know?
Oh, Mama, who is this balloon, man?
You are calling your brother a balloon?
Cletus?
Yes,
Cletus?
It's your brother.
But this can't be Cletus,
no,
man.
He's Cletus.
Cletus can't be like this.
We're feeding well. We used to.
My God! God damn it, Cletus! Cletus! Man, this is incredible. I can't believe this. Cletus! Shut knuckle, man! Hit it. Man, that's my brother, man! Cletus! That's my brother, man! The moon coming together. Who is in the house? Mama! Mama, where are you? Can't get on his bed. It's on his bed, man. Mama, where are you? Come here, Mama. Mama, come here. Mama, man.
You're looking good.
Yeah, that's me.
You're back.
You feel my swag, Mama?
Come and see your husband.
What's saying, boy? Yeah, I feel good. Mama, man, you're blowing on like balloon, man. You're blowing really on, man.
She's not good.
Yeah, man. So what's up, man? Go, pack the hook.
I'll help him, please.
Bring those things back, man.
Thank you, Mama.
Bring them down, man. Bring them down. Mama, I'll feel good, man. I'll feel good. I'm at home, man. I'm home, man. Shout out and tell everybody that I'm home.
Kajatan is back home,
Come on, man.
Hurry up, would you want to bring one of them down?
Good, man.
Yes, can't get down.
Oh, man, I feel good. It's going to be home. It's going to be home.
You?
Yeah, I feel good.
Back in your father's land.
Yeah, I'm live and direct, man. Live and direct. You ain't got a problem. I have a lot of goodies for all of you, man.
Oh, yeah?
Damn, man. I feel good. I'll take you. Get out, man. Get out, man. My mama. That's my mama, man. I feel so good. I feel like breakdancing. Mama, listen, I swear to God, America, US of A, it's like, heaven on earth. I tell you something. God and angel visits America.
Hey!
Yeah, man.
So you mean angels and God visits America every Sunday?
No, every summer, every summer they visit America. Man, heaven on earth. That's what I'm saying, man.
My son, I thank God.
Hey! You know what? Hey! Man, God is heaven on earth. Heaven on earth, man.
Hey! Wait, so you mean that angels and God come to America?
Yeah, every summer, man. Every summer they come.
Hey!
Angels and God. Every summer.
Hey! I'm very, very happy, my son. I thank God, the Almighty God that I serve, who brought you back to your fatherland. Hey!
Mama, you ain't got a problem, man. I just came back because I want to feed you guys. I just want to feed home. That's why I'm back, man. In the United States of America, there are people that walk like this. Just like me, I walk like this. I'm a bad guy in New York. See it, man. Good, man. I feel so good. Then I'm home, man.
You're getting older and older.
Mama said I'm old, man. That's good food.
Mama, my husband is not old, though. I like him the way he is. Okay, you like him like this. Love him.
God damn it.
Love him.
What?
Your wife. Yes. Husband. Your wife.
Mama, I don't want to talk about that bullshit right now. What are you telling me? My wife? Then you see Pino, man. Pino, man. I don't want to go there, no problem. We'll talk about that later. Now, I have a whole lot of goodies for you people here. You bitches. Goodies, man, for you bitches. So somebody bring it out. Let me go inside, man.
Hey! smelling America. Hi! America everywhere. You like him? Hi! Mama, I'm so happy. You love my husband so much.
You like him, eh?
Oh, I love him. It's not like you. Hey, Pino, man. Pino. America. Look at America all over now. No? Walk like this. You do like this. Everywhere is speaking America. Pino. You know, and me. Hey. You see? Pino, mama. Hey, let us go inside. Take all of them. Let's go inside, though. So we can see the goodies you brought. When I was side dressing in this village, you know my husband is from America. Okay, just wait.
They call you. See, Rose.
Bros, well done.
Rose. Rose. No be anybody when they see me and you don't say me, I don't do everything when man go do to keep you as love. And he knows I love you. Eh? About now. Eh? Rose, may you not go drive me like that.
Cletus.
Huh?
Cletus, I don't want you. Me and you no be mates. Leave me alone.
Oh, it's not by mate. Not be by mate. Anybody when they distribution about mate, not be by mate. Waiting when they make man, when be man, real man, they inside them. Me can tell you, if you see the picture of me when they inside me, when they love you, so you know if you reject them. Pure, from my heart. If I don't love you, may thunder fire me. Huh? Rose, give me another chance.
Cletus, I don't want you. You hear me? I don't want you. No, they follow me everywhere. What's in now?
Even if I want chance, give me again. Chance.
But welcome. You didn't even ask me about my father. Otibu man. Ugebu why? It's late, oh. Mbod choya, it's late. Anuke yo ya wodoma, it's late. More you no boha. Never will go.
Hey, mama, you say a whole lot of bullshit. I don't have time for this kind of talk. First person, on your one man, on your one man. What's wrong with you, man? Look at the all the rest.
But you supposed to.
Okay, want me to ask you how they are doing in the grave? Okay, how they doing in the grave?
I don't know.
Mama, take it as a man.
Hey.
You know, man. You should know that, man. Oh, you got that for
Hey! Kule!
Hey! Ide!
Kule! Kaje?
Ide woga.
Oh, you know?
Oh, that Anas. Mama, who is this balloon, man?
You are calling your brother a balloon.
Cletus?
Yes, Cletus. It's your brother.
But this can't be Cletus.
No, it's Cletus.
Cletus can't be like it.
We're feeding well. We used to.
God damn it, Cletus! Cletus! Man, this is incredible. I can't believe this. Cletus! Shut knuckle, man! Hit it. Man, that's my brother, man! Cletus! That's my brother. Cletus! Cletus!
And they come back home, people they tell me say my brother don't come, say na keke carry and come.
Yes.
What is keke, man? What is keke?
Motoji.
Man, say, man, you don't talk about. I have a whole lot of them over there in New York and everywhere. You understand? Man, what is keke? I saw that and I like that, but Eddie, I don't know. What you say? Is that taxi or cake?
Moto. Keke.
Whatever, but I saw it, I love it, and I.
Keke is a moto now.
You don't bring, you know, no, which car?
Yeah, I came out from the airport and I saw it at quality. Man, forget about this. All I want you to do is just relax and celebrate, man. Cletus, man.
Keke no dey enter airport, which means na leg you take come from airport, come main road.
You just the airport.
Na motor park.
Have you been there?
My friend they work for airport, they work for gate.
I'm so happy,
Your younger brother, yes.
Man, this guy's like,
Hey, this is
solid, man. But I love
America.
yes. You are home. One more.
Hey.
Hey.
Mama yo.
I am happy. I will tell my members.
Yeah.
You CWO women.
That's
Even the blessed sacrament, major Korea Jesus. Mandy, Mary Lee guy. I will tell all of them.
That is right.
I am telling you.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to tell everybody.
Yeah, I'm bad with it. Some deadly swag, man.
For over 15 years, oh.
Man.
Welcome.
Yeah, my brother.
Kaje.
Cletus. Oh, don't get me. You know what? I swear to God, I never knew that I've stayed up to 15 years in US away. Yes. Because over there, you ain't got a problem. I never experienced what is called a power failure, robbery and all that. You know, America is like heaven.
So criminal not the other side.
No, I'm not saying that. You know, a whole lot of them out there, but they are professional. They are not like this motherfucker that hang around here, you know, this some innocent. No, they don't do a shit like that. They go on there. They go out there, rob the banks and all that. And you know, one good thing about their security, man, FBI gets them down too, man. That's a good thing, man. US of A is a wonderful place, brother.
So since where you did there, you know even to make you marry.
I have 3 kids there. Grown-up kids, man.
Very good. 3 children. Boys or girls?
Whatever, man. Whatever.
Where their mama?
Different mothers, man.
Different mom.
I don't know why you ask a whole lot of stupid questions. What's wrong with you? Hey, motherfucker, I rap.
Go for this get work na make. Mo bedi get work. You can know Igbo.
Man, I'm a marty, man, but you know what? America is a sweet language. You know, it has overwhelmed me, man. I can't, man, I'm a marty, man, but you know what I'm talking, man.
Anyway, it's even good as you come back because the money where would they owe where would better after they finish. Help us, you know. I don't even pay more than half safe.
How much is that?
170,000 naira, man.
That's a little change, man. I'm gonna take care of that. You ain't got a problem, man.
Oh, you come today because even mama self, the food, apple, you know, good. She's even the.
Don't bullshit. Don't bullshit. I told you I'm gonna do that. What's wrong with you? You ain't got nothing upstairs. When I speak, you get quiet. You my little brother. What's wrong with you? I'm gonna take care of that. That's what I said. You know, I'm man. You know, man.
This is what we thought you was now that something one person go take flare up.
I say I'm gonna take care of that. That's a little change.
Okay.
$1, $2 means a whole lot in this damn motherfucking country. Man, your brother, I'm rich. You know.
America.
Yeah, my nigga. You ain't got a problem, man.
So all the other years, you know, even they ask your brother what thing they do.
That's what I'm trying to ask you. And you kept on in frivolities. I don't know why you dwell in frivolities. Oh Lord, I don't know what's wrong. Okay, right. Now, what are you doing? What's your profession? Tell me.
I'm a musician.
What kind of music are you talking about?
We play Dikeh. Okay.
Bullshit! Bullshit! What? Damn! Ogene? That's bullshit. You didn't see hip hop and all that? Damn, Ogene is bullshit.
Okay, bullshit. You like it again? Let me tell you, I don't you need to watch me and my group.
Man, that's bullshit.
See what they do. Barrier. You see where they go barrier for all of this.
Nah, mama, Ogene, man. Ogene Begunda Kalaguli, man. Are you still there?
Ogene Begunda Kalaguli?
Yeah, man. So, man, that's bullshit. What kind of bullshit is that? Can't you do something better? Yeah, man. Bullshit.
One of them okay, because I don't know me begin arguing. When the student will come back home?
Now, you see one thing, one thing I know about me, Jezreel, all of them, they are my niggas. They are my homies. So when I'm talking, you talk like a reasonable person. You like free volleys, and I'm going out here.
No achievement, you come back with nothing, you come back there, you come back there.
So, I just give
love in Tokyo, you know go. Yo, fuck you, man. I feel you know the shit.
Hey, I'm so tired. Honey, baby, America will be never eating your drama. America, my love, get up. Let's go inside. Okay, get up, let's go inside. What? Get up, let's go inside. You can sleep inside. Get up. Get up. Get up. I know you're tired.
Alright.
Get up. Let's go inside.
Where do you want to go?
Let's go inside.
We're going inside, we'll go outside.
We're going inside to sleep. Hey! America, Mom. Let's go inside.
Where? Inside?
Yes, let's go inside the house. Why are you eating? Why are you?
Something modern? Huh? Can't you?
Look, I tell you, this is what they do here. 9 people here, they understand. Here, not be America. Look, I tell you.
Hey, listen, let me tell you. I have Jezreel, and the whole Lord as my friend. I can fix, you do modernize this bullshit. What they're doing is too local, man. I don't like it.
I'm playing with my Rose's name, okay?
No, who is this Rose you're talking about that you're saying with her name?
My dream wife.
Then who is that elephant inside there?
Your wife?
You call her my wife? So you connive with Mama to get me an elephant? Now, actually, something. Nobody, not even you or Mama, can give me a wife. No, it's not possible.
Let me tell you.
You're talking about Rose. Now, maybe she's a better girl.
Because we just say you don't die, yo. That means we'll go marry the person who get like that. We're going to spray picky when we go feel him.
Now, listen, I don't need that.
She not big like that. Not saying yeah, she get big.
Then have her, man. Have her.
Yeah.
It's all right. You can have her. And play your stupid music.
I get buried this weekend.
I'm so ashamed.
So at the rehearse, man.
Are you making money there? Are you making money? Are you making money with it?
In a need, so I'm not
But are you making money with it?
Bam now. Bam.
Oh.
Bam, man.
Some money, man?
Bam, man.
This guy, man, the actual is local, but if they pay you money, man, no problem, man. Damn, motherfucker.
I imagine Ordinaka, my sister, They shout with me, they talk. And they tell them something, they shout. And they tell them something, they shout.
Now what do you? Eh? No, today you born. You don't know say woman power, all woman power now for mouth today.
But Naka, my own younger sister no go use mouth. They won't fight me. If even no take time, I will just close that mouth for him.
Close mouth for her.
Let him be that.
Same your power you dey get am for woman. How? What did she even do yourself? What did she do?
Imagine my younger sister every day. I me go to provide money. I me go provide money for chewing gum. I me go provide. You want shower? I me go give her money for soap. Then make her the other one where they use cover somewhere. I me go bring money. Now she won't make her give her money for postume. Postume me.
Yeah.
Jam.
Okay. No problem. Postume or post office, all na jam. All I dey ask you be say, tell me which one no be your responsibility for there? You want me she begin the follow man? You want me she begin the follow man about everywhere? Make you forget belly. He carry am come. He increase the country's population with the economic situation of this country. Where they like this?
The word we say you no go understand.
I no go understand what I no go understand. Say you supposed to.
Bros, you no don't understand because you don't spend money. We the trade.
I know they spend money. I they spend counterfeit.
Okay. The show where we go yesterday, how much be my money?
2,000.
2,000. Now 2,000 I go carry give my sister. Then me I no go hold anything.
Yes, now small drops of rain. Now they form river.
Bros, I know they for all those men where be say they go train women. Train women finish. One boy go just bounce out from somewhere. Pia, carry and go.
You know even.
I go just be around.
If boy bounce out, come carry and marry. No be you go thank God be that. If woman bounce out, come marry him. What you go do? You go hang. You gonna hang yourself?
God, better bounce that thing. Bounce, please.
Bounce for waiting at tennis.
Show where we get next week. We don't hear from Cletus. I be make we waka go there, go check.
The one way they talk no get headway. Your sister thing, you don't know. I don't know what you even resolve. You the talk of Cletus. What did Cletus do? He go give you another 2,000 and you go complain.
As we dey now, she no gum me. She no gum me.
She no gum you. Nah. How she go gum you? Your body they gum she.
Bros, if you get money, give them. I no get. You get.
Okay, noted.
I know who.
Noted.
Waiting. They talk about show. They talk about this thing.
Adi, what is it? Won't you leave me alone?
Adi Naga. Adi, wait now.
What is it now?
Adi, wait now.
What is your problem now? What is it? What is it now? Why are you just calling my name? What is it? Ogene.
Adi, I want to help.
You want to help me?
Yes.
Have you helped yourself?
Adi, after close examination.
I told you to leave me alone in this village. Leave me alone. Stop disturbing my life.
Adi, after a close examination of your life, I have told myself by myself that you need help. Yes, there's no way you no need help. I look at your family condition. I know it is bad for me to intrude into your family private, but it is love plus pity that is mixing, and I want to combine the two of them and offer my philanthropist.
Hold on. You said my family did what?
Look at you. A girl that I love, sorry, not love per se, that I
don't understand. What is it about my family?
You have bright future. Your future is as bright as your complexion. And I see you, I say, why should this kind of girl suffer? And I offer solution. I know that you don't have money to register for JAM and enter university. In the university, you want to go and study drug, isn't it? Fine. And you make good this thing, doctor. Then I say make I help you. Give you money.
Huh? You won't give me money?
I will give you money. I don't want to. Want for what? I've already given you the money since yesterday.
For my JAM?
Yes, take. Take her. That is money.
You mean I should take this money?
No, don't take it. Give me back. Oh.
For my jam?
For your jam. I'm giving you money for jam. If you want to sit, and you have another ghost candidate for yourself, you need 2 money to register for the jam. Tell me now.
Yeah. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Thank you.
So this your mouth can be sweet at least for once.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you, eh?
Bless you too.
Thank you.
Thank
you, eh?
Thank
you. Thank you.
How?
Thank you, eh?
See, make I straighten your cloth. Ow!
Bye-bye, yeah? I love education very, very much. I would have left it long ago and gotten married. Nah, because every time we just be at home leading for jam and for the second one. Post UME. Post UME. Post UME. You see me, Odinaka? This one is my last one. Close chapter. But I just pray to God that He should just help us.
He will help us.
I want
to pray too.
I want to go to university.
See, these girls. God, the way God creates them.
God too much.
Especially Rose.
I don't even know say your eyes they see the thing where my they see.
They crease. Why my eye no good they see what they see? Even blind man knows say this Rose, now she be the finest girl for this village. But the thing be say, you know they start with knockout punch. They start with jab before knockout. So I go take the second runner up will be Odi Naka. I go do checking attack.
I want to go to university. What? See, let's avoid this stout too. I don't want their trouble. That trouble.
Now.
That trouble kwa.
Go try your luck now.
I go try my luck for what? For emotion something, they always throw 2-6. Oh yeah, wait now, make us see.
If you get up.
Calm down.
I go buy you beer if you get up.
Calm down.
What have we done for them to trouble us?
Rose, you don't understand.
They cannot do anything. Get too much wahala. You don't get it. You don't know.
Let's avoid it. I go do checking. Just say it. Without Rose. Hello.
It's not good. What is it?
Anade. Odi. Just 1 minute.
What is it now?
Odi, I've been wanting to tell you from the bottom of my heart. Just 1 minute. Make you just come out for me.
What is it? What is it?
Come, I want to see you in private. Come now.
Don't waste my time, Mo.
See, I want to tell you that from the bottom of my heart. I love you. I know.
Listen.
Yes.
I don't have your time. Go and play the music you know how to play. Leave me alone in this village. Am I the only girl in this village?
I know you're not the only girl in this village, but look at me now. Am I not handsome enough to be your boyfriend?
Get a handsome man.
Oh, you touch me.
Come on, you
I will not.
Please, let's go.
Reevaluating. She does not like you.
I know.
Village musician.
Come. Let me give you expo. It's you, me, I love. Not for love. I will say Riva. Not her. I like that.
Unyara.
Hey.
Dodo.
My man. Nigerian liver.
Yes, I know now.
No, I will talk like it.
It is okay. A man who fights and runs away lives to fight
Another day.
No problem. I will never die of liver problem. I have it in quantities. With the grace, because we know say our aim not to go that side. You know these girls, they have magnetic love. They want to magnet us and carry us like this. Let us get inside. See, let me tell you something. Another time, we will go see them. We go corner them. You know, say this place na road, this side na junction. Junction can give someone emotional good luck. By the time you corner her there in the junction and tell you, you know go pull love you. You don't they follow you, they go. You like me, man. My man. Oh, community. Again never die. Community. Okay.
That is the only option we have. Let's to marry for you so that your name will not be wiped out.
Love in Tokyo. Love in Tokyo. Mama, that's bullshit. That is bullshit. Mama, is that because you look like a balloon? That's why you got a balloon for me for a while. I'm not gonna take that shit. I'm not gonna take it.
You are calling your wife balloon.
Whatever.
You have to stop that.
Whatever.
She's not a balloon. She's your wife.
I'm not gonna marry her. You know something? I never told you that I need an airbag. That damn motherfucker's an airbag. That bitch is an airbag. Now I tell you something. What I mean is, you go pino man. Listen, I have 3 wives in America. My wives in America, they are pino man. That's what I mean, man.
Why don't you come home with them? Pino man. Pino man.
Whatever, man. Whatever,
Why don't
man.
you come back with them?
Whatever, man.
In a pino. Do you look like pino? Then I pure naka. Let me tell you, that girl is your wife.
Don't tell me that, Mama. No, I'm not gonna take that. What kind of bullshit are you telling me? Marry that airbag? No, never. She's a balloon, man. Mama, I can't take it. She's a balloon.
It's not okay. Kajetan. I'm very happy that you came back alive, oh. Kajetan, you will marry that girl, oh. Anyway, in a walk. You don't marry and finish, self.
I've been thinking say you and I get something. When we can give you that money?
Over my dead body. All I know is that God used him then to answer my prayers.
But don't you think that correcting his money without showing him any interest is very risky?
I don't care. Odunaka, do I look like as if I care? I don't care. Anything he wants to do, you see that short man, let him do it. Did I beg him for money? Do you even know why I collected it? I only collected it because then I didn't have a dime on me. And instead of that, my useless brother to give me money, he'll be stealing my own money. Later, he'll be going around the whole village saying he's a professional musician. I won't even try that stupidity again.
But I supplies where? Because I know you where.
My dear, don't worry yourself. But do you know what? Those half men, they don't know what they're doing to themselves until the time they will start thinking of having their own families. But the most annoying part of it is that my brother Obinna is one of them. What do I do?
You're very light. But my own problem now is that they all follow me everywhere in the village.
Lekwa, Lele, you want to tell me you don't know why they are following you?
Nee.
Don't you know you're beautiful?
Because Rapoku. Are you not beautiful?
I am. We are. Eh?
Come on now. If that Chidod, he thinks you and I are very rules. He thinks he can befriend you and I at the same time.
Rose, I told you that that man is a fool. Can't you see he's short? His brain is short. Everything about him is short. He thinks you and I are fools, eh?
Okay.
Short man.
So bad, but let me lead my.
You wait, Joe. When I go, you'll be reading that one. What is that?
Let me know if I will pass my jam this time.
You will pass.
Oh, my friend. You want to come to God?
Ojube ma fo.
This is I name since.
Never enter well.
Anyway,
see, I've been telling myself, I won't go one man place. Won't give us business. You remember?
Okay, that man was supposed to pay us.
I no go again because of it. I tell you now. Okay. Now I go face that one. But when you go there, go meet the man. Tell us that is the whole. Understand? Okay.
No problem. I'll follow and go. I won't go see Ekezie daughter if you see that girl. I won't go see the girl.
It's too like girls, I don't know.
What is that? I won't go spoil business. Let make when you reach there, give me
I know they go spoil business now. I don't be woman. I want see babe. You want
that
follow
man
me
don't want person when grow.
If you see the girl.
Your interest don't follow.
You better pass out the waiting do that way they go even Rose the way they do kumja. If you see the girl, auto.
What is it worry you?
If you see the girl.
This is guy. If you see, bring out to my babe. What is it worry you?
Auto.
I'm gonna bring out to my babe. What is it worry you?
No be forget matter. Follow me go.
I joke with my babe.
Follow me go.
This guy.
Man, we never see you, don't
No, not be that one. In the go mention my babe. See, okay, short men are three go.
No. I know they follow them go. I never learn this step way introduce. I never learn. I won't go learn for house.
You want to do extramural classes?
Now, that's what I won't do. I beg. I don't take this thing joke.
This thing where would they here since they learn?
Oh my now.
Where would they here since you want them to say never know?
No,
I never learn. Never learn and finish.
I name more again.
I won't go out.
Boy, no joke with that. Just go meet that. Let me keep that money. Say that business we will do them. Yeah.
I beg no verse. You don't forget say you don't tell me this thing. I been in a cassette TV. They put yourself
just
for
make
repeating.
no.
What's in this now?
No verse. Just make you not go play with them. I beg.
What?
Not go mind this man. If you begin make that play, make all like this. He go meet. He with the guy go there for one whole day. You know go get what he done.
Where will they go? I want to see the babe. If you want follow me, go. Make we go.
Boss, tomorrow we go play. Okay. Where do you get the bus to make you drink?
Forget.
You forget?
Tomorrow. You see tomorrow. You go there tomorrow.
Say it again. You don't use and go borrow money.
No. Tomorrow I go bring out.
Let's go first.
I'm not saying a woman matter what they want to talk about.
You go where I say you go. In the committee. Which guy you talk about? What I go for you?
I don't say. Like, man, you want follow me, go? Come on.
Boy. You're not only for rape, eh? I remember close. Tomorrow we'll play. What's all about?
Stop bothering yourself. Go inside and finish what you're doing. Your husband will soon be back. Eh? Can't you believe me?
But Mama, is it supposed to be so? The man I call my own husband hardly stay in this house. Each time he's in this house, he does not stay in this house one bit. Eh? I'm not happy now.
I know you're not happy. Stop bothering yourself for nothing. He will soon be back. Eh? He will soon be back.
Mama, he will soon be back. He will soon be back. When? I want to have children. I'm not Sarah. I'm not Sarah. That miracle will happen when I'm old. I don't want that kind of miracle.
I know you're not Sarah.
When soon I become old, that miracle will happen.
Have Maka. Madam Metus Namaka, I don't want to talk. I'm here. From Mako, because don't bother yourself. You are not Sarah. You are Ujunwa. You will give me grandchildren. There's no two ways about it.
Ma, they're hungry. I go.
Muwa palori payal. Muwa palori payal. Give a big volume. We could get a go to the Benine. Meanwhile, where is your brother Kajetan?
Where is your brother?
Kajetan on the Cabono.
Mama, don't mind him. I know he's not happy that my husband came back from America alive. He's not happy.
Papa, don't say that. Don't say that. They're my children.
I bet no man on my beg. I don't get time for this. Just my mom beside the hungry. Just give me food when I eat.
Because I can't get me to snap.
Because be moon.
I can't get me to them. Buy moon about just go and cook for yourself.
Man, don't let you do bonus. Nobody can. As you go, but then everybody and they job do. So you like to you chain. My baby mun become
honestly, I'm ashamed of you too. Almost na ibu akaka mma. Eh? Nkwakọta na ihe abia. Tiakwa. Would you please? You are the only source of my happiness in this house, and you know it. Eh? You are here to make me happy. Don't mind them. Wow.
Mama, make you not worry about that one. You don't tell me this one more than 200 times. I'm not the small kid. If there's a make I talk, I don't matter. Because I don't choose person. My wife there on the way. If you see him, you go like him. You go like him well. Every time you will call me meeting.
Your wife is on the way.
Yes.
That's been your slogan. Every time your wife is on the way. Why won't I love my daughter-in-law? Why won't I love my daughter-in-law? Bring her home.
You go see him.
I want to see her. As you can see, I'm not getting any younger. Older by the day. Give me my grandchildren.
That will not be anything.
Hey.
Wife or marry. No, but that one and they carry me and they be my problem now.
What is your problem?
I won't do one album. One sweet hit. We go enter market. Eh? Cletus. Only before you see women go they run follow me like this. Only you go they do point and kill. See like this one you choose.
What if you don't ask any?
It's like that.
What if you don't ask any? Obu no one kekolo. Ogonekle. No.
Oh, to a kid. So this is who you are. Huh? You don't wish me bad luck. Huh? Mama? Hey! So you don't pray for me? Huh?
I don't pray tire now. I got my baby one never. Every time I put church in the give, let's take my time on my back.
No, wait.
Mama! That's my mama. Remember what's up? I do it.
Have maka. Don't go eat that woman. Have maka.
So what's the problem?
Mama.
Who offended you, Mama? What's the problem?
Grandchildren.
Have you done anything against me because you are so mischievous? Have you done anything wrong?
Ask him by yourself. Obama. Clinton. America.
All right, Mama, what's
Ask
the
him
problem?
myself.
What's the problem?
Grandchildren.
Grandchildren?
Yes.
That's just your problem.
Of course.
Mama, man, you love frivolities, Mama. These are frivolities. They're not my parent right now. They're disturbance for now. Mama, for now, they are fucking disturbance.
Children are disturbance to you?
Yes! I have a whole lot I'm doing here. I want to say a whole lot of things up in this village.
Which is cigar Jamaica? You want to?
Mama, you're getting everything wrong. Mama. Now listen, where is that elephant you got for me as a wife? The elephant.
Your wife?
The balloon. Yeah.
Can you elephant? I bought a balloon.
That's what she... No, she's not my wife. That's a balloon. She's not my wife. Man, because you're like a balloon, that's why you got there for me.
You must give me grandchildren. Yes! That's my priority.
But I got choice. And nobody can stop me from making my choice. You are a balloon and you got balloon for me. I'm not gonna take that. No matter what I'm ready.
You must do. May you go over. Guarantee my cholo, whether you like it or not, and may you go over. And when I give you that obola, I am better than Raja. Yes.
You say, gee, mama, man. Love in Tokyo, you go. Yo, fuck.
This thing I'm about to say, don't be angry. Yes. Because I know it will benefit the both of us.
Yeah, talk now, I'm hearing.
Promise me you won't get angry.
My talk now, I'm eating.
Okay, if you say so. Mom, I suggest you accept one of those men that are coming for your hand in marriage. No. We can't continue wasting the money we don't have on exams. 4 good times. 4 good times. You failed. You don't have the luck. Leave it for those that has it. You know, go.
Mama, is that what you're saying to me?
Now.
That I should accept the proposal of one of those men.
Bam.
That I should go and marry. Mama, thank you.
Oh, yeah. But you promise you will not be angry, oh. Everybody must not go to school, oh. I want to carry my grandchild, oh. Better go and get married. Now go school, now go school, now go school. We'll be forever. Now time for more than I was going to school. If we want.
Father Rod, you know that my education is my right. You know that I love this my education. And without education, my beauty is unwell. Father Rod, help me. Help me. I don't like jam 4 times. Father Rod, help me. Help me. I beg you, help me. Oh.
Well done. Hi! Mary Mara.
What is it? Eh? Organic. Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand.
You harsh. Why you harsh? When you know see me, I love you. Anytime where I see you, oh my God, my head just the scatter. The organic disc where they play inside my head, will be Mary Mara. Ebem name again. Ebem name again. Now remix, you go to play. Mary Mara. Ebem name dinaka. Ebem name. Oh, see love. See love. See me, see you, see love. You will fear. Serious. I love you with all my internal organs. I swear I love you. I love you with all my heart.
Love again.
Yes.
I told you, you're not well. I don't want to hear my name again in your mouth. Did you hear it?
I'm serious.
You're
I love
serious.
you. Come on. In fact, I give you my heart. I give you all my heart. Seriously speaking. If you greet me, hey, greet me now. If you greet me, all my organic investments for your body, all the financial dividends where they get from my organic music, I go dash you.
You know, since the death of your father, I've really suffered so much to make sure you become somebody in life. So, now that you have your WAEC exam, I advise you get married. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. I advise you get married. Mama. I tell you something. Mama, wait, let me tell you. What now? Come out from the song. I appreciate your efforts for me. I appreciate everything they do for me since. And I will continue to appreciate you till I die. But Mama, nothing gonna make me not go to school. Oh. I must go to school. Nobody they respect woman when they go to school again. I must go to school. I will continue to lead. I go they lead until I pass my exam. I know say God go help me. Rose Mama, for your information, woman's education ends up in the kitchen. If you like, go to Cambridge or university and everything, you must end up in a kitchen. Oh, you can nip on where you also. You've tried. Eh? Just give yourself a break. Mama, I don't care. I don't care. I will continue to lead. I will lead until I make it. I know say God waiting for heaven go help me. He go hear my cry. I don't marry anything. My daughter, I pray that God will grant your heart desire. Amen. Let's go. Let's go. No. Come now. Mama, I must go school. I know. I must go school. You must. Let's go. Lead more. I will lead. Continue leading.
You go out for 26 years.
Like I never knew I knew this song. Young girl with eyes like a desert. I love everyone, Tropical and island breeze, all the nature wide and free. That is where I love to be. Las La Bonita. And when the samba plays, the song we sang so high ring to my ears and sting my eyes. Your Spanish love.
Nkem, your food is ready. Breakfast.
What are you calling me right now?
You don't like it? You want me to call you darling or honey or sweetie? Which one do you want?
Love in Tokyo. As what?
Am I no longer your wife again? Huh?
Love in Tokyo. Now, I'ma tell you something. Save that damn motherfucking question for mama. Damn, you are like elephant. I can't have a beach like you. Huh? If you want to call that, then you call your fellow balloon. That's my mama. You can call her that, not me. Damn.
But what I know is that I married into this company in your name. Oh. You married me in this company just to answer your name.
In my name?
Yes, in your name.
What is my name?
Kajetan.
Go call that. Go call that.
Kajetan.
Guy. Put it in the plate.
I don't know.
I didn't cook this food for you. This is food. It's not for you.
Now just to see within the inside.
Don't mind this idiot. You serve poison too. You want to give me poison?
No.
That is poison, man.
No. My husband, I prepared this food specially for you.
Now poison through for American people. Now poison.
Hey. I don't want all this bullshit.
Hey.
For what?
Hey. It's good for us now. American people. Leave them.
I fried this yam for you. I even made local sauce for you too.
I don't need it. I said this is poison. You call it. What's wrong with you? Are you crazy or what?
Stop eating this food. I didn't make this food for you.
No poison.
This is poison for me. I don't eat this shit like that. So I want to ask you a question. So you are an elephant. You think I'm a goat that you can summon with them?
Honey, I'm sorry.
Come on, get your filthy hand out of me, man. What's wrong with you? With your damn motherfucking honey mouth. What is honey?
See, yeah.
Why eat this food? I'm not cooking this food for you.
I don't even know the shop. Something strong like this. My biscuit, sugar, banana.
Sorry for yourself, babe.
Want me know?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I go cook for this house to give me my husband go chop. Eh?
Man, what's up? You eating this?
Yeah, make a religion.
I'm out of here, man. Let's go hang out, man. Forget this. This is my food, man.
No, wait,
You go out for 26 years, no achievement.
Get out.
You're not gonna make it.
How you eat it?
What?
Fuck you, man.
You're not gonna move to where I'm.
Say yeah,
America.
You say G, mama,
Amen.
love in Tokyo, you know go.
Everybody go.
Fuck you, man.
Hey, don't get them.
You know they shame.
Don't get them. I don't want them again. I'm not even sweet. Don't get them. One more milk, come on.
My little brother. So what's
You know, you've been 15 years there. Outside Nigeria.
Yeah, I got that. Yeah.
15 good years.
Yeah, man.
It has been a problem for us, you know. Waited for you to send all these boys to go and buy anything. Or same money can't give me. Make I take their own family. Cha! I not even see you buy something. If you need anything, not me. If you want to buy small orange, not me. So I'm going to ask if you bring money come at all.
Damn, who said that? Let me tell you, that is bullshit. Come on. That's a damn motherfucking lie from the beat of it. You know that? Do you know Jezreel? Jezreel is my homie. We wrong things. I tell you something. I have money.
Oh, where they get you, butter? Oh, yeah, you know, bring any money.
Damn. You know what? I'm just trying to camouflage. I'm a criminal. I'm intelligent. That's what I'm doing. You know what? I just want nobody to know what I'm doing. I'm here to strategize. Come on, I'm here to strategize so that I'm coming back in a full time. Can you feel it?
Your money of America?
Yes. That's what I'm saying. Feel me, brother. I run things.
What which means our full night and all the money we spend, sell our only land, do. They send you abroad. You make money finish, you leave up America, come back.
I came to strategize things. That's why I'm here, man.
So anybody will come from America, when home money, drop for airport, now can you take come home, America.
Now listen to me. You don't. I'm a criminal. You know, I'm just trying to camouflage. What I'm talking is that I'm intelligent. I'm just trying to camouflage.
Criminal,
come on, not being a thief. I'm talking about being a criminal. Can you feel it? You know, can you see? Can you feel my swag? Can you feel my swag?
You keep your money in America, but I cannot. Papa sick finish, die. You come for the burial.
Don't tell me anything about Papa. Damn! Don't tell me anything about him. He is a failure. He owed me a whole lot before he died. Yes!
Papa, they owe you.
He is a failure.
What do you owe you?
He denied me my inheritance. He's not a responsible father. As a first son, he didn't give me my inheritance. That's what I'm saying, man.
They owe you inheritance.
That's what, yeah. I know how much I send to that man you're talking about right now.
Who send money? You?
Yeah, I do send a whole lot of money.
Papa, they owe you inheritance. Yeah, Papa sell 2 most important land for our place. Give you the money. No, when Papa die, wait everybody gather say 1 billion. You come.
Yeah, because he fucked up. That's what I'm saying. He fucked up.
So make it die.
I don't give a damn. Everybody's going to die, man. Fuck that shit. Don't blame me so much, little brother.
Not be saying my brother. I'm so thank God. Neighbors not there. Neighbors not. And I wonder. Thank you very much.
Oh, how you doing, man? You're looking big. Look at him like a bugger, man. There's something here. Little guys, you guys are looking big. He buggy here, what?
Iji here gonata. He back canab.
Damn.
Papa sold 2 of the most important land. Give you the money, you take and travel. You open your mouth, they say Papa they owe you 15 good years.
I'm gonna tell you something right now.
Woman where they not even credit.
All right.
Your kobo never enter the woman.
Love in Tokyo. Love in Tokyo. Now I tell you something. Little brother. If not that you are my blood, man, I'ma blow your damn motherfucking ass up.
If no bro, if not be say you my elder brother, I for call you Judas Iscariot.
You talking to me? Come on, you talking to me right now. I'm a bad guy from New York. Cletus, fuck you. I'ma blow your damn motherfucking off. I'ma blow your damn motherfucking ass off. Say something right, I'll blow it off. Little idiot, you speak like a parrot. You are the bullshit. You know who I am? I'm a bad guy. Now listen to me, I'm a damn motherfucking bad guy in New York. When I sneeze, the New York shake. Now let me tell you, when I sneeze, New York shake. Little brother, you wanna fuck with me? You wanna fuck with me? You wanna fuck with me? No. Man, I'm going crazy right now. I'ma blow your damn motherfucking ass off. I'ma blow your damn motherfucking ass off. Good. Look at you like a motherfucker. Because you grew up big, you think you're...
Ane techa. Biko he ka na agwa abacha niile. Oya gata. Rose. All this beautification is for who?
Here. Nobody. You know I like cooking good now.
Are you sure those men will allow us go to where we are going?
Which men again? Yeah, in this village, I am not owing anybody. So I have every right to go anywhere I want to go.
Oh, yeah. You don't understand what I mean. You know now, Asomo the Sharp. They want to arrange us now. You know how far?
Bia, Odinaka, you see all these men? They're not my problem. They're not my problem at all. Because, Bia.
Okay. I heard over the radio that the JAMB result has been released.
Hey! Are you serious? Hey, when?
This morning. They even said that it's only 30 people that set for it failed.
Chinekeme, just 30%.
Just 30.
Hey, Chukwu, I know I will be among the people that will pass it.
Yes, sir.
Let me blink my slash card. Hey!
Sorry, Rose, ogini jizikwano gengwano.
Hey! Let's go. Hey, can you call me your splash card?
It's in the house. Let's get to my house first, then we'll go. Rose is gonna be cool. Ozugo, this is not the end of your life.
Tinaka, 4 good times. 4 times. I know if you pass exam when my mates they pass. I know if you get the same admission when my mates they get.
Listen, once there is life, there is hope.
Which hope will I get again? Which hope will I get?
Since you are alive, whatever you wish will still come to pass. Yeah?
What did happen here? Who beat you? Who beat them for this village?
Nobody beat her. She just lost an opportunity.
Opportunity of waiting.
Cletus. Cletus, read me. Don't let me decide on you. Read me alone.
You know how she talk. She said leave her.
Beat me. Even that one I can make you happy. Beat me. No, beat me.
Cletus, she does not want your pity or your concern. She does not want it.
What do you concern for concern? Now, baby, you know your heart. What is your problem now? See, the heart fire them. I can't point to come. Let me go point them. Did you hear me so?
She does not want your pity or your concern. Leave her.
I'm
Mano. She said leave her. Leave her alone.
See, look.
Don't marry that stupid man.
Get up on the. Make you move right now. Well.
Don't follow us.
Rose, stop crying. Eh? Crying will not solve the problem. Eh? I don't like what you're doing to yourself. That you failed does not mean you've lost everything. Please, my daughter. You have tried your best to make sure you get into the university. And as your mother, I've also tried. Biko nwam. Ozugo no nwam biko ni gebebo onwe gi na akwa. Rapu nke mere eme ka ona. Inugo.
Mama, look at me. Look at me. Obodo my leading. I lead. Nothing.
It's okay.
Mama, bumiti.
Tufia kwa. Chukwa ajo. Zoro kwiti.
Odinaka, abumiti.
Mbano. Onye si na ibu iti. Eh?
Mama. I spoke the same English. Everybody spoke. Same thing I liked. Me and you sit together. You pass, I fail.
It's okay. Just calm down. Next time, I'm sure you will pass. You can't predict what will happen tomorrow. Eh? It's okay. Nothing. Just take it easy. You know? You know go wam. You get weti am ije ozo. You know go. See papa on them. It is now. Adam
It's okay.
Oh, I don't go to Ibo. He get Japan University. Ije ya job do Ibo. You know go. Come on, smile. Smile for mommy now. Come on.
What happened? You don't be yourself.
Now tell me what happened today. What happened there now? Which kind of thing will be this? Can't they tell everybody spirit? What happened? Can't they tell everybody? What happened? Now what I just come because I don't like what happened today. I don't feel you.
Now what I just they tell am for road, but now they carry am up. Me I won't call like that.
Poverty thunder fire you.
Amen. Yes. Even if I don't know the purpose of the prayer, but tell us what happened.
Poverty is a bigger disease for life. Like say me, I don't hold. Eh? Problem not for day.
Which problem? Talk now.
Go straight to the point.
And all of us will know.
Go straight to the point. Let's know what the problem is.
Okay, number one, may I just say, my babe now, my babe, is supposed to school.
Hi!
Hey, and you know the school now.
So now because of babe, we make you they do that thing we do. What thing they worry yourself, boss?
Babe, you say you don't they mad. Eh?
Wait. Now just babe. Now do make you they do all this nonsense. You the grace.
Huh? You don't insult me, oh.
Senior, you know they insult you. Now true in they tell you. Waiting be insult.
You don't know how they feel.
Waiting love mean? Waiting how you they feel?
Because you never love one, they don't know what love mean.
We can love if they keep you now and keep love. See as you be. See love. Una two, una get relationship. Una feel mix. Huh?
Make I tell you.
So now because of babe, now make you they waste our time. You can't kill again the spirits and again they never die.
From today now, anywhere they go, don't be following me, I beg. They go beg you. Why not go follow you? Don't near me.
See, okay, babe, both of you know they do this guy. I know they like Abu. Which guy will be this? Don't they tell our
you know get future.
Which guy will be
you know get future.
I know they like this guy thing.
Damn. If I have to paint a picture, I love this. My sense of Miller to show the world how true love could really be. I would choose the brightest color to create living in harmony. It could be a reality, cause it's only once inside of my heart. I love this. Can you see how right from the very start? Tell me, what is the color of the rose? What do you see? It's warm. Oh my God, I love this. It's tender when you think of me. I say the color of the rose.
My husband, I don't like this you're drinking and smoking, you know. It's not good now.
Love in Tokyo. Love in Tokyo. God damn it, who are you talking to? Are you talking to me or talking to somebody? I don't know.
Stop this. Stop it.
Get out of my sight. What's wrong with you? Are you crazy? What? Now, tell me. Who am I to you? Can you tell me who am I to you?
You're my husband.
Onyoshide Gebo. You are nothing but Onyoshide. Get out of my sight.
Forget my name.
I'm not your husband. You are not my wife. My mama can get a balloon and tell me that you're my... Fuck you, man. Get out of my sight.
Forget my name, man.
Get out of my sight. You are not my baby, man. Fuck you. Get out of my sight. I'm gonna blow your demo. I'm gonna blow your head off. I'm gonna blow your man. Come get out. Get out. Get out. Fuck you, man. God damn it.
Stop drinking.
God damn it. God damn it.
Stop drinking.
Fuck you, man. It could be a reality, cause it's only once inside of my... Damn motherfucker. Man, come. Man, I'm not your husband. You don't know what she did, man. Damn. I know what I want. I know what suits me, man. My mama can't choose for me. Nobody can. Damn.
What is it? Organic. Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand.
You harsh. Why you harsh? When you know see me, I love you. Anytime where I see you, oh my God, my head just the scatter. They are getting a disc where they play inside my head. Will be Mary Mara. Ebem name again. Ebem name again. Now remix, you go to play. Mary Mara. Ebem name dinaka. Ebem name. Oh, see love. See love. See me, see you, see love. You will fear. Serious. I love you with all my internal organs. I swear I love you. I love you with all my heart.
Love you again.
Yes.
I told you, you know well. I don't want to hear my name again in your mouth. Did you hear it?
I'm serious.
You're
I love
serious.
you. Come on. In fact, I give you my heart. I give you all my heart. Seriously speaking. If you gree me, hey, gree me now. If you gree me, all my organic investments for your body, all the financial dividends where they get from my organic music, I go dash you.
I thought I say you know well. You know well. Anytime, film, I give you. Are you okay? Now tell me, what of my friend Rose?
Rose? Rose! As I toast, now that one they do. Anytime you see me toast Rose, it is misplaced toasting. I am toasting Rose because I want to use her to update and polish up my toasting skills so that I polish it. When I polish it, I unleash it on you, who is my true love. I give Rose only my intestine, but you I give my heart. Anything
I've said it before now that you are a big fool. I've said it before. Listen and listen good. Anywhere you see me in this village, run. Babosa. In fact, I know what I'll do. I'll tell your friend Obinna.
You never told me that you are this thing now, that you are masquerade. I won't take run. You want to report me to Obinna as what? As who? Who is Obinna? President of the Federal Republic. You are a white person and you are wearing green. Green, white, green. You be Nigerian flag, self, I don't know. Not true. You tell me whether a woman they carry do me. And I answer myself, it is wrong. About turn. Mary Mara Ebemne. I pause. I'll continue later.
My daughter, marriage is sweet and bitter. There is only two things in marriage: patience and endurance. Please, if I tell you what I passed through in marriage, honestly, you will not believe it. But here am I today. Please, Mama, I understand what you're saying, but I'm not happy. The man I call my husband does not recognize me as his wife. Mama, he does not treat me like a woman. Mama, my engine is rusting. I need to be oil. I would have preferred the other plan of me going outside though, than sitting down here and my husband is not even touching me or even looking at me. Don't go there, please. Don't talk of going outside. How can you? We have to thank God that your husband is now home. In no distant time, he will start, satisfying your urge, your feelings, and start touching you. By so doing, something good will be out of it. Please. Mama. Please. Mama, what I'm saying is I'm not a widow. I'm a woman, full-grown woman. And I need the love and care of my husband. I need him to touch me. Oh, you don't want to have grandchildren? Hey, grandchildren? Is it when I'm old that will give you grandchildren? No, you will give me grandchildren. Just don't bother yourself. I will do that. I will play my role as a mother. Oh, please, don't bother yourself again. Mama, my body needs my husband. I swear, I will talk to him. Don't finish what you're doing inside. Just tired me. I feel like dying. Hey, why are you saying that?
Is it because of education you want to condemn yourself?
I hardly do anything. I just feel say that jam be my last opportunity.
To fair one. How can you say that? See, you have to think about something else. Then education will come later.
Wetin I fit think of again? As I don't feel jam, you feel say I fit try anything again?
You can.
Everything just tire me.
You
I
can.
don't know what to do.
But first of all, consider Mama's advice. Start thinking of getting married.
Marriage? Me? Marriage? To fear. I cannot marry anybody now. Bow. Marriage kwa.
Rose, look at me. Me, your friend. I had that idea before. If not that my results came out good this time, I would have been preparing for my traditional marriage.
Me, I don't feel marry anybody.
Maram. I'm saying, Ebem name again. 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 Again, a cheluma, ayanama, a cheluma, ayanama, rose, a cheluma, ayanama. Hey! My hibiscus flower. Are they Chris? My rose flower. My flowering plants. Hey! Oh, I love you.
I hate you.
I love you.
I hate you.
Oh,
Chidodo, I hate you.
I love you. For what now?
Leave me alone.
I no go fit.
I don't owe anybody for your family.
What?
Am I the only girl in this village?
How?
Every day you follow me up and down.
Yes, because you have what is supposed to make me follow you.
Odinaka, but this animal.
You know I love you. I know.
Chidodo. Chidodo. This your ear, you need to take her here. She just said, leave her alone. Eh? And then every time you see woman, chom, you know, so one in Ike.
You follow for.
Don't you have anything doing?
What? I don't have anything doing. I'm a proud professional. I'm a professional musician.
A musician?
I am a proud musician.
You?
A proud professional musician, specializing in the brand music of Ogene. Ogene music. Miri maram. Ebem nemo Ogene. Ebem nemo Ogene. Ebem nemo Ogene. Ogene cherumo. Ayanamo. Idiots. See you.
I pity you.
For what? Pity what? Uze. Yes.
She said you should leave her
For
alone.
what? Who you be? I follow you talk. I follow you talk.
You know I'm too big for you now.
Waiting big. Waiting big.
You can't talk to me.
Can you imagine? See this digital Oyibo witch. Serious. May you just see just the like sunshine soap. The just carry you just the wash soap, idiot. Nonsense. Can you imagine? Jealousy. Siam. You there you dey enjoy yourself. You dey enjoy yourself with bread. You know what make her? Oh my god.
See, Rose, if you're still here listening to this fool, this big fool, I'm out of here.
Thank you very much for you to say I'm a big fool. At least I'm something that is good, big. Huh? Hey, come. Oh, this guy. I know go feel it. Hey. You feel give person emotional approach. Come.
I don't know what these guys say. You won't date every girl within this village. Both married and not married. You know they see, you know they feel like nothing concern me. What they like me to do, not concern me. Me, I'm not even good sister. I'm not even good to me. Any way I see him near my baby, it's what I like. Who be your babe? Every time your babe. Which one? I never see one. Oh. Show me one.
You want one?
I want now.
Make me, I tell you.
Of course, nah.
True. And like I said, I don't know who you be. You and she don't know the same thing. And I get the same secret. I'm not fit up with the secret for my life. For where you did, because you go see, go Yanam.
Clay, I don't like that way. They don't talk am again, I beg you. No try am. Don't just try am. What should that bother to my friend? Make I go stop for the yes. Clay, make I tell you. I don't blame you. Do you know who I they blame? Eh? Now the blood where your father used in producing you and this American brother. You remain 5 minutes for don't enter in the now. You don't know? Come here, come they do like mumu. Don't try that thing again, no. Now I go mend you here.
Swear say you don't know the secret I want to talk now.
We secret.
Swear first say you
talk.
No know the secret why they talk now.
We secret now, talk am.
You know say no be one person give your mouth belly where they talk about you.
Eh?
No, I tell you.
No, don't try that thing. Don't try again, no. I go break your head, nah.
I go mend your head.
No, just try me for this village.
So you don't know who you resemble for this village. No, count the men. Wait, tell me, person with the one where you vote say na your papa. You resemble him. That man top authority you have. This year na your papa here. One person, just you, they resemble 5 people. If they contribute, this in the tell the boy you tell say, not make me first.
Clay, do you know why they leave you there? Because say you be my man. If don't be so.
I don't baff you now, idiot.
There you go. We go record ourselves here.
You need another water?
No. I mean, don't talk. Maybe people don't call you this.
Your family,
your family too.
I know your secret.
I know
your secret. Oh, na secret. Your man a giver.
Maybe people don't hear this way.
Don't fire your family now.
Your family too. Don't get my family.
So, Rose, I'm ready to take good care of you. Just accept my proposal. You know?
No. Sorry. I don't want to marry now.
Why?
I'm not interested.
Why?
Because I want to go to school. I want to go to university.
You want to go to school? Have you forgotten why they call me Mr. Capable? School is no problem. Even if you want to go to Ohio University, you want to go to Edinburgh, I'm ready to take you there. Just see air and all your problems are over.
Oga, no. I want to go to school. That is what you men promise all those women. And at the end of the day, you will not do anything. Me, Ubuloza, I will not fall victim. I will not fall a victim. I must go to school. I want to go to university.
Rosa, I am for real. Just all I ask you is, see air. And then no ganya no. Why you know go.
Rose, wait. Rose, wait.
Hey. You go again and so what do you?
What is wrong with you, Adeze? Eh? What is wrong with you? Why do you keep rejecting marriage proposals? Do you think you're getting any younger? 4 good-looking men came for your hand in marriage, and you turned them down. Why?
I want to go to school.
You want to go to school?
I want to go to school.
Not anymore. Come and go to school now, let's see. 4 good times, 4. Only can we say, it is better you get married or you leave it.
I must lead. I must go to school.
Let's watch and see.
I will go.
Shut up. Make sure you go see some. You want to go to school, But when you go to school, keep passing.
I will lead and pass myself. I must go to school.
Make out your honor. It's horrible.
I'll continue to lead.
I must tell you the truth. It is better you get married.
I'll continue to lead.
Lead now.
I'll not marry.
Let's see how you will lead.
Until I go to school.
Come and lead and let me see. Come and go to school. You're not going anywhere again. Just get married. It's horrible. Biakika school come for.
maram. Ebem nemo gene. Ebem nemo gene. Ebem nemo gene. Ebem nemo gene. Rosie, ebem nemo gene. Rosie, ebem nemo gene. Mary maram. Ebem nemo gene. Rosie, ebem nemo gene. Rosie, ebem nemo gene. Hey! Can I have a dance? Come out, Rosie. Okay, let me sing it in blues. Mirim Mara I'm imagining R. Kelly singing again. Again, reggae Rastafari again and never die. Nyakap, nyakap, ebem nemo again. Ebem nemo again. Ebem nemo again. Traditional. Ebem nemo again. Ebem nemo again. Ebem nemo again. Ebem nemo again. Ebem nemo. Slow motion. More. Again, fast forward. Ebem nemo again. Ebem nemo. Just come out! Just come out! That is the power of music, the power of love, and the power of Ogene. Ogene never die. Hey baby, Rosie. Kai! See love. See as you just come out, come. You did like angel with the garden of Eden. With the thing we say, you know get wings. If you say your wings, they grow for back like mushroom. I love it. Hey! Hello! Hey! See love. I want to die and swim in the river of love and die because I want to love you. See you. See as you fine. You did like tablet. See you. Hey, my love.
Chidodo.
Hey, my love.
Chidodo.
Oh, I won't die. How?
Chidodo, I don't tell you before. I don't shout for you. I don't know as I will tell you again.
Okay.
Chidodo, Pico, I doesn't want you.
I does.
Hi.
I does. I want you. I want you. As you be so, look at you. See as you be. See as you fine. Me and you we fit.
Chidodo.
I like you.
Lapobem. Lapobem. Leave me.
That is the most romantic thing I don't hear ever since I don't born. Something stupid mixing with Lapobem. Lapobemize me.
I see you are very stupid.
Lapobem my ear again. Not close the door. Be sure before you close. Dada. Well. That is American blues. But let me organize it. Be sure before you close. Dada. Ogene. Now my music bring you out first. Now I'm gonna make you unclose this door. This girl serious for this door with it. Rosie? Again, I know they give luck for love again. Myself at the grace, I won't come check again. I know where socks. The way this girl, they me like say she likes socks. I will be back. The return match, I go wear socks. I will kill you with love. That love you're running away from will catch you, overtake you, and possess you.
Rose. Abaya. Rose. Everyone inside.
Cletus!
Oh, Ogum.
It's Ogo. Ogino Henago. Nebe. Cletus, what are you doing here?
Oh, I don't come since quack.
Ina quack and Ebasim Guinea. What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Mama, you're back.
What is this man doing here? Tell me, what is he doing here?
Ha, Mama, I don't know. Ask him now.
You don't know? Cletus, what are you doing here?
I don't come since they call your name, they knock.
And so, did I invite you? Cletus. Leave my daughter alone.
I'm gonna go back.
Cletus.
She don't tell you anything about my drink.
Rapubem. Cletus, Sibem. Cletus, Jethro Boggy.
Wait.
Hi. Oh.
Rose. You know, tell us me like this.
Cletus. Cletus, Sibem. Hagadi Quencarapo Mamiaka.
You will love me very soon as a law.
Onyega love you. See, I'm quite so quick. Jethro Boggy.
Let's drink remain.
He. Leave this place. Cletus! Naba. Cletus! I said you should go.
Wait.
No, never come there. Wait. He can wait.
I dey cry for una, I dey shame for una dey for my hand. Make una dey pity una self so. I say make una dey pity una mama She don't try well to feed una to old age. I bet she never.
Chidodo, you got to be pregnant, Chidodo. You must keep it.
What? See, you see the region where they go.
Chidodo, better respect yourself. Oh.
Respect with
you think I'm other girls you sleep with and dump, Abi? You think I'm other girls?
I know
Chidodo to God,
I don't sleep with you now. I stand.
This is the end of the road for you today.
End of which road? Road still far. You go reach out. What is this? I get you pregnant for where? Did I get pregnant for only one touch?
Chidodo, so you want deny? Hey. Chidodo, you want deny this pregnancy, Chidodo?
With plenty of... Stop this. Wait. I wore a t-shirt.
Chidodo, don't this over. Chidodo, you go kill me. You go kill me today, Chidodo. Chidodo, see me. Chidodo, kill me.
See.
You said
see.
Wait now. Go punish you.
Oh, yeah, just give one mouth.
You think if you sleep with me, leave me again?
Chidodo, see.
You don't concern you.
Make we get home, go resolve this issue. This is what we're
going to do. You don't dare the best
for this kind of character. I must marry you.
Marry me.
You yourself here.
You think if you're those guys why they sleep with?
You think you will just tell me that I made
me?
For what?
You think if you leave me for all these girls for this village?
We plenty.
You think if you leave me for us?
We plenty. Why you push them to me now?
Why you push them?
I don't even know say give am belle.
See, Chidodo.
You don't want to listen to me. See,
marry me.
You yourself here.
You think if you're those guys why they sleep with?
Okay, wait.
You think if you pregnant me, dump me?
Okay, wait. Make we resolve.
Chidodo,
I go
then
marry
at the end of the road for
I go marry you. Wait.
You go marry me?
Yes, okay, wait.
Oh yeah.
Chidodo. Now for the marriage, just wait first. You touch my nipple.
Ow!
Since you don't want to listen to me, I don't dey ball, oh.
Chidada kill me.
I go keep it.
Give it today. Go and punish you today.